Yeah, I got my high-speed SDHC card in, put it in my camera, and testing it out. My new GE DV1 AB 1080p camera, but I'm filming it in 720p. So really, I don't notice any difference between 720p and 1080p. Really, not on this camera. Maybe it's just me. That's the way I look at it. 720p is plenty high enough anyway. I mean, really. Testing 60 frames per second, 720p. That's not much of a test. They weren't going fast enough. Why weren't they going fast enough? Man, that sucks. Usually you go down this road at 120 miles an hour or something, you know? It's crazy. Gravel road, 120 miles an hour, not a good combination. And I've been down those roads before when I was young, man. When I was a young boy. Yeah, when I was young once. Yeah, I was. Okay, 720p, 60 frames per second. Sunny day, I got it set for cloudy day. I wanted to see what kind of difference that makes.
Hello.
There's a flower child right there, a hippie.
Of Arkansas, the blooming idiot. That's me. Hello. To me.
Okay, it really is cloudy right now. I thought I would see how it looks. And have I got a treat for you? Remember the horsies I promised you? Well, I don't know if it's 4x. I don't know if this 4x zoom is enough to. I don't know if the 4x zoom is enough to get them, but I don't want to climb over the fence. Funny looking cows. Funny looking cows. Huh. Nah, I wouldn't want to eat one of them. Okay, so you got your peek at what you wanted. I'm gonna fall and break my leg and my back, and then I'll really be in a pickle. Yeah. I don't need my back hurting any worse than it do, man. It just ain't right, you know? Just ain't right. You can't just go out and take a walk without getting into trouble. I stepped in stickers too, just for you. You owe me. You do, so give me a thumbs up. Even if you hate this video, give me a thumbs up. I got a boo-boo. I do. And I take my boo-boos very seriously. Okay, just for kicks, 1080p, 30 frames per second. I don't know if this makes any difference with this new Classics high-speed SDHC card or not. But you'll have to let me know. I thought this would be a good object to test it on. All these different textures.